Hi, my name is Dr. Daniela. I wanted to come on here to talk a little bit about how kids can understand and cope with big events that happen that are scary and are unknown and uncertain, and that sometimes we just don't have the answers to. One of the things that we can do as parents and caregivers, teachers, educators, community leaders, is to try to bring kids into the conversation. They are a lot more aware of our surroundings and the things that happen in our society and our world than we might believe. So it's really important to create that space where they're included and they're invited, and that we are able to offer developmentally appropriate approaches to understanding the things that even we ourselves as adults don't always understand or have a full grasp on. I'm talking about big events like violence and school shootings. I'm talking about uncertainties like pandemics and social changes and unrest. These are things that kids not only hear about and are very much connected to in terms of the news and social media, but they also pick up on the cues that we have as adults around them. They notice when we are on high alert. They notice when our anxiety has gone up for some reason, and they're very attuned to those changes and those shifts. So it's really important for us to take the time, even if the kids aren't necessarily bringing something up, or that you don't necessarily see a big shift in their behavior. If there is something going on, it's important to give them that moment to really ask them, how they're doing and what they've heard and what they have questions about, and just really sit down and have an honest conversation. That may not mean giving details, especially when it's situations that we ourselves aren't certain about. We don't want to make any promises or come to any conclusions that we're not aware of ourselves, or we don't know the answers to ourselves. But it's also really powerful and important for kids to see that we don't have the answers, and that doesn't mean that we can't be there for each other. That doesn't mean that we're not available to talk and to comfort and to help keep each other safe. That is the most important message that we can give kids when we don't have answers to all their questions. Just to let them know we're all really struggling. We're all going through something hard, but we're together. You're not alone. And whatever you need, I'm going to be here to try to help you with that. And I hope that is something that is helpful for approaching these big issues that we are facing daily, it seems like. And just to be able to be there for each other, and to also look at it as a way to also get back from the kids that are around us. They are extremely resilient. They are often very positive in their outlooks, and we as adults can use that. So to really see that as a two-way interaction, not only are you giving, but you're also connecting, and that gives us as adults comfort as well. So just make sure that you are taking care of yourself, and that you are able to really come from a place of calm when you're talking about these big issues. And also let them see that this is hard and that you struggle as well. That's something that kids can learn, that it's okay to struggle, it's okay not to know, but it's also okay to ask for help and to connect with the people around you in times when things aren't for sure, they're not certain, and they might be a little bit scary or worrisome. So I hope that this helps, and I hope that these tips lead to some connections that you all can benefit from. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.